Today I've got something exciting to unbox. If you're into action cameras but don't want to spend the money on a GoPro, this video is for you. I'll be unboxing this, showing what's in the box, and giving you my first impressions. All right, let's open this up. Right on top, we've got the ZeroX camera itself. And under that, a bunch of mounting accessories. A USB charging cable and a hands-on hard copy user's manual. It's actually pretty compact and lightweight, which is great for helmets, bikes, or just handheld use. Let's walk you through the quick start. First of all, you want to open up the waterproof casing and carefully remove the camera. From there, you can charge the battery fully and insert your micro SD card before turning it on for the first time. Full transparency, it took me a few tries to get this right, and it's a bit finicky at first. Now for charging. Charging was really easy once I figured out where the charging port was. Okay, I found the compartment, but opening it was a whole different story.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, when I opened up the accessories, I was a little overwhelmed. But now that I've sorted through it, we have 2 adhesive mounts, a bike mount, 3 three-way mounts, 2 quick release mounts, 4 straps, 1 metal tether, adapter mount, tripod adapter, lens cleaning cloth, and 4 Velcro tethers.
Not so certain what this is for, but I think it's just an adapter for another one of the mounts.
So there you go. There's all the accessories.
Now obviously, this isn't a GoPro, but that's kind of the point. The ZeroX camera is marketed as a more affordable alternative, and from what I can see so far, it offers a lot for a lower price, especially if you're a beginner like me, or just don't want to risk an expensive camera. Keep in mind that the micro SD card is sold separately, and I bought a micro SD card reader to make exporting videos easier. So there you go. There's the ZeroX camera. A lot of people are calling it an affordable alternative. Let me know your thoughts down below. We're Dom and Deb, travel obsessed and loving the journey. Thanks for watching.